Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a Google Sheets file editable by multiple users so you can work together on the spreadsheets. So here what you need to do is just open the Google Sheets file that you want to share, and then after that, here this file is currently private to only me, so only I can edit this file. And if you want to make it editable by everyone or multiple users, you can just change the access. Click on this share button at the top, and here okay, I'm gonna just click on save because I haven't named this spreadsheet. So now you can see this in here. Now you can just add people, groups or groups into the file. So I'm going to just multiple users in here. You can choose to notify them or not, and don't forget to choose their role as editor so they can edit the file. After that, here you can click on share. Okay, so now the access has been updated, and you can see now the file is shared with 2 people. So here now the file can be editable by these users. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thing.